Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we will be working on issue 3 of Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Here we have stage number 3. First we have this bumper and there is something missing, which is the front license plate. And that just goes in here and is held in with 2 BM screws. And since we are going into metal, I am using my oil that I keep handy for metal. Like so. Put that to the side, and we need first the left fog housing, and need to put the lenses, and they just go in like that, and then we take the L1 lens light housing, and that goes like so with 2 AP screws like so, and we do the same with the L2 housing like so, and now we need to do the same for the right side like so. Then we take the center bumper and do the left side like so with a DP screw. Like so, and we do the same on the other side, also with a DP screw. Then we need the rest of the front grill, and that just lines up like so with 3 DP screws. Like so, and that is stage 3 complete. So here we have kit number 4, the left front wheel and tire. So first we take a tire and put the outer rim like so, and then the inner rim on the opposite side, line them up, and that uses 3 CM screws. The screws are short, so we gotta put them together so the screw can reach like so, and the hubcap stays loose, and the center cap, but it will look something like this. That is stage number 4 complete. And now for stage number 5. First we take this piece, and that goes on like so with 2 DM screws, like so, and then we take this piece and this longer piece, and that just goes in the slot like so, and also uses DM screws like so. Then this goes like so, and uses EM screws, 3 of them, like so. Then we take the left side of the gearbox, and that just goes on like so with a single DM screw, like so. And then we take the right side, just goes over like this with 2 EM screws, like so. And then we take the oil pan, has a notch on it but no gasket, and is held in with a single EM screw. Like so. Like so. And that is stage 5 complete. And now for stage number 6. Here we have the left side of the engine block. And first we need to put on the engine mount with 2 DM screws, like so. Then we need the this bottom piece that goes on like so with a DM screw, like so. Then we take the oil dipstick, and that just slots in like so. And then we take the cylinder head and the manifold that goes on like so, and with 3 AP screws, like so. Then we take this wire bracket and hold it in place like so, and then we put the valve cover on top, like so, with 4 BP screws, like so. And then this slot like so, and it's held with 2 AP screws, like so. And then finally we need the gearbox from stage 5, and that just goes together like this with a single DM screw, like so. And that is stage 6 complete, and the left side of the engine and the gearbox are together. And this, with these parts, issue 3 is complete.